Once upon a time, in a big city, there lived a beloved, helpful and strong man named Kazan Bey. He assisted everyone in his neighborhood and stood by those in need. People loved him not only for his strength, but also for his compassionate heart and fair behavior. Yet what Kazan Bey was most proud of in life was his son Uruz. Uruz was the neighborhood's darling, intelligent, brave and hardworking. He followed in his father's footsteps, doing everything to become a good leader. The neighborhood children adored Uruz because he played with them, listened to their ideas and always helped. Kazan Bey and Uruz became exemplary father-son figures in the community. One day, Kazan Bey organized a picnic where children could spend time together and strengthen friendships. They chose a large park with lush grass, tall trees and chirping birds perfect for the children. Uruz volunteered, "Father, I'll organize the games and look after the children." Kazan Bey was delighted by his son's enthusiasm. On picnic day, the children laughed and played while the adults chatted. Uruz beamed with joy seeing the happy children. But the idyllic scene was deceptive. In the woods lurked a wicked gang that wanted to intimidate people. The children were unaware, but Kazan Bey immediately sensed something was wrong. This picnic would mark the beginning of an unforgettable adventure. The picnic was going exactly as Kazan Bey had imagined. The children played joyfully while Uruz organized everything like a little leader. Suddenly, strange men emerged from the woods, the notorious gang of Karabek and his followers. Karabek was a brutal man without compassion. When he heard the children's laughter, he commanded, "Let's scare them!" Kazan Bey noticed the suspicious sounds and warned Uruz, "Something's wrong." Watch the children. The gang stormed the picnic. Dressed in black and wielding clubs, they frightened the children. Kazan Bey stepped forward. "This is a picnic area. Leave the children alone." But Karabek wanted to test Uruz's courage. "Come with us, brave boy!" Uruz stood firm. "No!" "You're threatening my father and friends." Enraged, Karabek took Uruz away. The children cried, but Kazan Bey calmed everyone. "Uruz is brave and smart. Together we'll rescue him." His composed determination gave everyone strength for the difficult task ahead. After Uruz's abduction, Kazan Bey acted immediately. The children asked fearfully, "Can we save Uruz?" Kazan Bey replied resolutely, "We need every single one of you." While adults tracked footprints, even the children helped, comforting each other and carrying water. Uruz, captive in the gang's camp, remained strong. "My father will find a solution," he thought. When Karabek asked why he didn't escape, Uruz answered, "My strength comes from my father and friends. Without them, I won't go anywhere." Kazan Bey's team quietly approached the camp. Uruz noticed birds, a sign help was near. When Karabek spotted Uruz's escape attempt, Kazan Bey gave the attack signal. Faced with the difficult choice, retreat or fight, Kazan Bey decided it. "Together we are strong." These words inspired everyone. As one unit, they surprised the gang. "Father, I'm here!" Uruz called. But Karabek hadn't given up yet. Now Uruz's cleverness and Kazan Bey's leadership would determine the outcome. As Kazan Bey's team surrounded the camp, Uruz partially freed himself. Kazan Bey shouted, "Karabek, release my son! We want peace, but we can defend ourselves." Karabek was astonished. Before him stood not just Kazan Bey, but the entire neighborhood, young and old. Yet he remained stubborn. "Then come get him." Kazan Bey's brilliant plan, one group distracted while others rescued Uruz. Even children helped, luring the bandits astray. When Uruz completely freed himself, he cried, "Father, here!" The gang fled before the united strength of the community. Upon returning, everyone celebrated. Kazan Bey told the children, "Today we learned true strength lies not in courage alone, but in unity." Uruz added, "You are all my heroes." Real strength is the combination of wisdom, courage and solidarity. Even Karabek seemed to have learned this lesson. Under a tree at the picnic site, Kazan Bey told Uruz's son, "The greatest power lies in a good heart and the ability to act together." That day remained unforgettable for all. They had discovered how truly powerful unity can be.